Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we often talked about how Microsoft has very sneaky ways of putting ads everywhere within Windows, and we talked about some of the things you can do in the settings to reduce this. And one of the things that you will see also is some sneaky ways of having things pop up either in the start. It could be within the search, where, for example, trending searches are here. There's all sorts of things that Microsoft is pushing its own services also. Well, there's a new and one that is actually making a lot of users kind of a little mad because it really doesn't look that great. Some users have been starting to see QR codes pop up within Windows at different places. Sometimes on the wallpaper and the background, sometimes on the start screen like this one that was shared by one of the Windows users. And basically, this brings you to download Copilot on either your Android device or any device that you scanned with. So another sneaky way for Microsoft to try to get its services on not just Windows, but on other devices too. So it seems that some people are seeing this pop up here and there, and a lot of people have complained about it. So I'm curious if any of you have seen that. I've not seen that pop up here yet, but it seems it's a thing. Some have seen it even within the settings. One is reporting that you went to the settings app, and that at one part of the empty space that you see on the top, a QR code was there, and it was for Copilot. So I guess Microsoft is investing so many $billions in there that they would just want to make sure everybody uses it. But it's just blatantly a rather bad idea, I think, to put giant QR codes everywhere in Windows to promote stuff. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.